Well, Willie Bill Hiccup, tell us where you're from. Just a little town you ain't heard of. I left my home feeling down on my luck. Rode into the city on a turnip truck. I'm just a country bumpkin, a city boy, something. I drive a truck, a pickup, I put the heck in hiccup. Well, Daddy was a drinker, he'd be drunk all day. Mama said she should have given me away. My brother would hold me down and fought on my head. I was hated even by my imaginary friend. I'm just a country bumpkin, a city boy, or something. I drive a truck, a pickup, I put the heck in hiccup.